That's how I whole day just thinking about that girl. I don't take sleep. I miss that girl so much. I don't know what's going on with me. Zina. That girl's so sweet, eh? The girl make 2 macaroni pies for me. Wow, I love that girl. Ooh. Wow. I wonder what's the secret ingredient, because the axo in that, I love that girl. So boom, sharp knives. Gonna start off with our boiling water, salt, oil, and we're gonna add our macaroni and let that boil. And while this is boiling, we're gonna work on our other stuff. We're gonna dice up 1 onion or whatever else you want to use, but in this case it's an onion. Take your time, watch your fingers. Slice and dice. Take your time. It's very simple. You're gonna use some onion. We're also gonna use some garlic. You can just smash it down and then chop, and then finish that off. Just run the blade through it. Very simple, very easy. Okay, but take your time. So after we're done with the garlic, we're gonna dice up some coriander, but not too fine. So we're gonna use onion, garlic, some carrots I had from a previous dish, and some coriander. But whatever other herbs or vegetables you have, like ginger, etc., you could use that. Then to a pan, we're gonna heat up our butter. Okay, so to the butter we're gonna add the carrots because they take the longest to cook. Okay, gonna mix that up a bit, let that cook down a little bit. Then we're gonna add our onion to the carrot. Okay, what we're gonna make is a roux. It's like flour, butter, etc., but you'll see. So then we're gonna add our garlic, mix that in. Okay, cook that down a little bit. So you want to add enough butter because when you add the flour to it, we need to have enough. So to that, we're gonna add the butter to make our roux. So a roux is basically like cooked flour in butter. It helps thicken a lot of sauces. Okay, so that's what a lot of people use. Okay, usually people, when they make the white sauce, they would add the vegetables towards the end, but I like to add it first to saute to give it some extra flavor. Okay, so we're gonna mix that up till it's cooked, but you need to lower the heat. Take your time, low heat. Do not burn it because it's a white sauce. We're making our cheese sauce. We don't want too much color and we don't want to burn it. Okay, so take your time. And just for the video's sake, I made what you should do is add the milk little by little. Okay, so you don't want any loss of heat. So as I added so much, it's like the pan started cooling down, so I had to wait till it gets hot again. But in you guys' case, when you do it, add it little by little to get the milk incorporated and see how much you need. Okay, so we're gonna use both milk and cream in this recipe. Okay, so we're gonna add the cream in, and while you add, you mix. Okay, just some simple techniques. Everyone can do it. See how it thickens up? Then we're gonna add some cheese to that as well. Okay, look at how creamy that is. Oh my goodness. Wow, but we're not done yet. Okay, and in Lucian accent we need some herbs. Okay, we're gonna add our coriander then. Okay, don't dice it up too much. We don't too much lots of flavor. Okay, gonna mix that in, but we're not done yet. Wait, there's more. Oh, creamy. Wow, so see how lovely that looks. We're gonna add out, we're gonna season. Remember, you need to taste. We're gonna add some salt, some taco seasoning, whatever you like to add, onion powder, garlic powder, whatever you have, and then some white pepper. Okay, I want to keep it white, but we're not racist, you know. Then mix that up. But wait, we're not done yet. We need to add the pepper sauce. Okay, you can add some of that, and then we're gonna mix that in. Very simple, very straightforward. Anyone can do this. Add whatever flavors you like. So then we have our pasta, we have our cheese sauce. You can also keep that cheese sauce for, you can make that cheese sauce for any other pasta you want to make. Like if you want to make regular pasta, you can just use it. And you can also put in a container and just put in your fridge. So when you want to make some more pasta, you can do that. So gotta mix that in thoroughly, mix that together. Make sure everything's well incorporated. Okay. Take your time. Okay, remember, take your time. Then we have our bowls we're gonna put it in. Remember, there's already a lot of fat. You do not need to grease your bowls. I see a lot of people doing that, putting butter, etc. on it. You do not need to. Okay, if you want, you can add some ketchup, etc. I like some ketchup on my macaroni pie. If you don't like it, you don't need to put it. Okay, then top it off again with some more cheese. Okay, 2-minute recipe, very simple, very easy. Okay, and there you have it, your macaroni pie. Voila. Okay, so there you have it, your macaroni pie. Very simple, very easy, very straightforward. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the little skit. moral of the video is pray over your food before you eat it. So now we're gonna pray over our food. So the verse for today is Proverbs chapter 30 verse 8. It says, "Remove far from me falsehood and lying. Give me neither poverty nor riches. Feed me with the food that is needful for me." Okay, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends. Show me your results after you try it out, and enjoy.